right, we're going to be making a color wheel using watercolor pencils, and the first step is labeling the color wheel. What we're going to put in first are the primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. And these colors are spaced in equal distance apart from one another on the color wheel. There are a total of 12 spaces here, so that means that each color should have 3 blank spaces in between it. So I'm going to start with yellow. Leave 1, 2, 3 blank spaces, and then I'll put red. And then 1, 2, 3 blank spaces, and 2, 3, and put blue here. Okay. Now the next set of colors that we're going to put in are the intermediate colors, and these are the colors that you get by mixing 2 primaries together. So the color that you get between yellow and red is orange, so orange is going to go right here. And then the color that you get when you mix red and blue together is violet. So violet is going to go right here. And then the color that you get when you mix yellow and blue together is green, and green is going to go right here. All right. The remaining colors are called the intermediate or tertiary colors, and these colors are the result of combining the 2 colors on either side. So here, this color would be a combination of yellow and orange, which would be yellow-orange. So all the intermediate colors, the names are very simple. They're hyphenated names with the primary color in front of the hyphen, and then the secondary color after the hyphen. So yellow-orange, this would be, red is the primary, orange is the secondary, so this would be red-orange. And this is red-violet. And then blue-violet. Blue-green. Crayola, for some reason, this is the one color that they label backwards. It's labeled green-blue instead of blue-green, and I'm not sure why Crayola does that, but it should be labeled blue-green on the color wheel. Blue-green. And then the last color here is yellow-green. All right, so this color wheel is going to have the tint, hue, tone, and shade of each color. Tint is when you add white to a color, and the way that white is being added with these watercolor pencils is by doing light pressure and allowing the white paper to show through to lighten it. So what the next step is, we're going to be coloring in each of these sections on the color wheel with the appropriate colors, and you want to do heavy pressure for the shade section, the tone section, and the hue section. And then for the tint, we're going to do light pressure. Okay, so it should look like that. Now we're going to just go through and continue filling in the rest of the colors on the color wheel.